Okay, so I'm going to be riding the Double Trouble gravel road race tomorrow. Basically, I'm going to be riding a 100-mile route, so from Jacksboro up around Bowie and back. This is what I'm going to be riding. Just a very basic bike, all steel frame, no name brand, out of Taiwan. Syntace aerobars. So these aren't popular in gravel road rides, but I like them. A lot of times in these rides you find yourself out riding by yourself on a packed gravel road with the wind in your face. Those things are great for that type of situation. They make a real material difference. Plus they're a great place to hang your light, a great place to hang your navigation equipment, great place to let your Q seat rest while you're trying to figure out where the heck you're going, if you need to. Alright, I got a bushwhacker bag on it, mostly to hold food. I also have a first aid kit in there. I like these Gatorade bottles. They hold a lot. It's easy to get every last drop out of them. They look real Fred, but I don't care. It's a gravel road race. Nobody's going to see me for 80% of the time anyhow, so I don't really care. It's got a triple on it. Shimano 105 5700. Solid, no muss, no fuss, reliable. Not the lightest weight thing ever, but when your legs are dead in the last 20 miles and you got to get up that hill, it's nice to have the granny gear there. Panaracers, Panasonic Panaracer, 32 millimeters on the back. It's got a T-Protect, what they call a T-Protect, I think. It's basically a Kevlar shield just around the tread, not on the sidewall. So that's what it is. It's supposed to be unseasonably cool tomorrow. 85 degrees. Very little wind, so that's going to be a fantastic day for a ride. I would normally bring a camelback type of, some sort of backpack hydration system. I don't know if I will tomorrow. I'll bring it. I don't know if I'm going to wear it. I'm rocking the Brookes B17 classic saddle. It's heavy, but it's comfortable. I'm not going to break any speed records. I'm just looking to have a nice ride tomorrow. So, and that's the type of saddle to have a nice ride on. I don't like to ride alone, so I have the minions with me at all times. They're not useful, but they have good character. I'll carry have a backup tube stuffed under the seat. I have another one in the pack here, and I have a change kit. It's gravel. When you're riding 110 miles of gravel, you should plan on having a flat. Hopefully I won't, but it's not unusual to have flats, so you've got to be prepared to change them if you're going to get home. Not a lot of cars pass by you. That's one of the advantages and disadvantages of riding gravel. You kind of have the road to yourself, but if you have a mechanical and you're off the back, you got to be able to take care of it yourself too. I don't think I'm going to need lights. I hope I'm back before then, but I'm going to carry a tail light. Got the battery up front. These are the handy little Asian LED lights with the cheapo battery pack. I've ridden this for over 400 cycles. And dry and hot, cold, wet, all kinds of conditions it's got me through, so nice to have that as a backup as well. So looking forward to it. Try and take some film out on the road. It's going to be a great ride tomorrow, I can tell already.